Good afternoon, and thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up for Friday, February the 5th, 2016. March corn finished the day off 3 cents, selling at 365 and 3/4. Corn started the day weak and broke through the support level of the 50-day moving average to settle today at the very low end of the day's trading range. Closing the gap created on January the 19th below 364 seems to be our next support level, and that's only a point and 3/4 away. So we look for movement into that area on Sunday night and Monday morning. March 16 beans were all 5 3/4 cents today, selling at 867 and a half. Soybeans have posted 3 consecutive sellers bars and look poised to test 859 or so to the downside. From a fundamental standpoint, Argentina and Brazil still have incredibly large yield numbers being forecast by most analysts, so that's going to continue to pressure beans to the downside. If we can break below the January 29th reversal bar, our next support doesn't come into play until 859. We are only a halfway cent or a half cent away from closing below that mark, and with the added fundamental pressure of yield numbers in South America increasing to the downside, pressure seems to be increasing. It's worth noting next week China begins the Lunar New Year, and their financial markets will be closed all week, so it could make for a relatively quiet trade next week. July 16 wheat was down 6 1/4 cents, selling at 466 and 3/4. Another big down day for July wheat today, which really underscores how the strength in the U.S. dollar over the past several months has taken its toll on the U.S. ability to be competitive worldwide. We are seeing carryover from yesterday's disappointing export sales numbers on the Chicago Board of Trade, and wheat futures have suffered in part due to record large global stocks of wheat and stiff competition for export business. The July contract lost, like I said, 6 1/4 cents today, and went home at 466 and 3/4. We feel like 465, which is only a point and 3/4 away, is our next support level, and we're going to hit that at a minimum the first of the week. Hey, thank you for tuning in to the Woodall Grain Post-Market Wrap-Up. Hope you have a great rest of your Friday and a safe weekend. Look forward to talking with you on Monday afternoon.